Never want to talk about Mark Cruz because I know I just said before in my statement. I've been talking with Trinaya Kiana about Mark Cruz. Well, Christian Mengito already reprimanded him that you calling an F word of Tatay Digong of Rodrigo Duterte. It's not really good. It's really inappropriate. I say again, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. It's very inappropriate to disrespect senior citizen. If I were you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, beg apologize to VP Sara Duterte. And say that to Sara Duterte, I'm here to apologize for cursing bad words to your father. That is simple. I say to Mark Cruz, I'm for example, when I curse Nanay Ningning, I apologize Nanay Ningning when I call the bad word. What I call the bad word? An asshole word. All the Germans are very stupid. I know I was very racist, and I know I'm very uh, incompetent, and it's really improper and inappropriate. And I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Cruz, make a public apology to Tatay Digong. It's simple. When you apologize Rodrigo Duterte in the time, you write the letter to Vice President Sara Duterte. Make a public apology. I say again, Mark Cruz, when you say bad words over against Rodrigo Duterte, even Tatay Digong is really old. He's very sick. All right? Nobody to curse bad words. For me, when I accuse Teacher May in my YouTube video, she got very stressed, and I know she is really sick. She has stage 3 colon cancer, and I don't want to be happen to her. Oh, and I gave an update to Jaredino and Eris Clemente. Teacher May is very sick. Oh, if I give updates to my friends who were Duterte supporters, Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte is very sick because he's old. Like you, Mark Cruz, would you ever insult your relatives who were senior citizen? Would you insult, for example, who were senior citizen? Do you remember Nanay Banji? Nanay Banji is senior citizen. You know, Mark Cruz, would you insult Nanay Banji? Would you call Nanay Banji an F word? And that is an insult. I say again, Mark Cruz. If you insult my relative, Nanay Banji, I say again, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. There will be no chicken inasal for you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. It's only for Matthew Timbal and Juan Carlo Pabale. It's not for you anymore. If you insult my relative Nanay Ningning, if you call her Nazi German, I say again, Mark Cruz, no pizza for Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. And Nanay Ningning will make pizza also for my birthday. It's coming my birthday, August 21. I'll be 29 years old. I never want to say bad words many times. It's really kind of insult. If I were you, Mark Cruz, when you insult anybody, just stop saying bad words. You know, If you insult Kapitana Salonga, if you call her an F word, will you insult Kapitana Salonga? I say to Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. If you threaten me to destroy my gadgets, Mark Cruz, you are coward. You are really coward. You're been ally with Paulo Cruzada, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, G. Macasandil, and even Kuya Kopio, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, Nino Barsaga, even Jam Magno. You are alliance with them, Mark Cruz, because you are a bully. And I say again, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, you will be deserved that you don't have friends. You should be deserved that they didn't like you, because your attitude is really bad influence. I'm not bad influence, Mark Cruz. I am showing my good deeds that, for example, I've been said that to Nanay Ningning. Nanay Ningning is I realize that she has lots of food there during the birthday of Ate Michelle. Chicken inasal. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz is very jealousy. You don't have a food, Mark Cruz. Because what is that, the food? Like I said, when I was told by J. Rick Silva, gala ka kasing parang daga. I want to tell you something. This guy is not really good manners and right conduct. That guy, Mark Cruz, deserve that he doesn't have a friends. For example, Ronald Ribena and Rafa Soco, they distrusted Mark Cruz because they don't like bad words. John Almonte, I remember, my friend from CDIFI, my former schoolmate, he doesn't like your attitude. Even Joannes Impact, Patrick Quezon, even Juan Carlo Pabale, Dan Mardayaw, Ramon Jose, even Zedric Chua, they don't really like you. Even Carlos Kanahashi, he doesn't like you. At least Carlos Kanahashi, he never say bad words. Because he was lectured by Teacher Ruth Ibarrientos. Like me, I never want to say bad words many times. I've been lectured that from the parents of Jens Manaid. I've been lectured that from Teacher May. I lectured that from my parents. I've been lectured that from Teacher Ruti Barrientos. I've been lectured. I always to say I am a disciplined person. I never want to say bad words. Here's one thing, Mark Cruz. I say again, Shania Kiana said to you, delete that post about foul languages over against Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, because Rodrigo Duterte is very old. Can you respect the senior citizen, Mark Cruz? You don't know what you're talking about. You were been attended in the church. You were in the church also, and you're saying about that you will want to be a a good person. Is this what you like to go to church? And your attitude, you're saying bad words? That's why I say again, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I want to write something, a demand letter. Apologize to Vice President Sara Duterte and her father, Rodrigo Duterte. Apologize sincerely. And do not say bad words. If you don't like Duterte, I say again, Mark Cruz, don't come back here in the Philippines. And everyone hates you. Everyone are angry at you because your attitude.